Join me as I dive into the wild world of AI and challenge myself to create an entire game world from scratch. Imagine if I told you that artificial intelligence has advanced to the point where it can create an entire game world from scratch, without any human input. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. In recent years, we've seen tremendous progress in AI technology, and it's changed the game, quite literally. For decades, game development has been a painstaking process that requires an enormous amount of time, resources, and creativity. Developers have to pour their hearts and souls into designing every detail, from the terrain to the characters, and it's a process that can take years to complete. But what if I told you that AI can do all that in a matter of seconds? It's a game changer, and I'm excited to dive deeper into this topic. One of the biggest challenges in game development is the sheer amount of time and resources it requires. Developing a game world can take hundreds, if not thousands, of man-hours, and it's a process that's prone to errors and delays. Moreover, coming up with unique and creative ideas can be exhausting, and it's not uncommon for developers to experience burnout. And let's not forget the financial constraints. Game development is a costly process, and it's not accessible to everyone. But AI has the potential to revolutionize the game development process. With its ability to process vast amounts of data and generate content at an alarming rate, AI can take care of the mundane tasks, freeing up developers to focus on the creative aspects of game design. It's a partnership that can change the face of the gaming industry, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. However, the question remains, how does AI create these game worlds? It's a complex process that involves algorithms, tools, and a deep understanding of game design principles. AI uses machine learning to analyze existing game data and generate new content that's similar in style and structure. It's a process that requires a tremendous amount of data, and the results are often astonishing. For instance, AI can generate terrain, complete with mountains, rivers, and valleys, in a matter of seconds. It can create characters, from the characters' facial features to their clothing and accessories, and even design entire cities, complete with buildings, roads, and infrastructure. The possibilities are endless, and it's a technology that's still evolving. Today, I want to show you an incredible example of an AI-created game world. This world is called Illyria, and it's a stunning example of what AI can do. Illyria is a vast, open world, complete with rolling hills, dense forests, and snow-capped mountains. The level of detail is astonishing, with intricate buildings, bustling towns, and even a working day-night cycle. It's a game world that's so immersive, you'll forget it was created by a machine. As I explore Illyria, I'm struck by the sheer scale and complexity of the world. From the towering spires of the ancient castle to the humble villages of the countryside, every detail is meticulously crafted to create an immersive gaming experience. And the best part? It was all generated by AI, without any human input. It's a testament to the power of AI in game development, and it's a technology that has the potential to change the face of the gaming industry. As we move forward, it's clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize the gaming industry. It can free up developers to focus on the creative aspects of game design, and it can generate content at an alarming rate. The possibilities are endless, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild world of AI-generated game worlds. If you have any thoughts on AI in gaming, please share them in the comments below. And if you're excited to learn more about AI and its applications, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll dive into the world of AI-generated art. See you in the next video.